So today we will talk about the India's State Forest Report 2021. And remember that this report is released on the 13th January 2022, and this is released by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And the first report means the first report of ISFR is released in 1987, and this is the which is released on 13th January 2022 is the 17th report. So let's talk about the ISFR 2021. If we talk about the ISFR, as I have told you that why news on 13th January 2022, Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change released the 17th report of ISFR report and first published in 1987. So remember that. So it seems that from 1987, so it is a biennial report, means every alternate year this report is published. So it seems that it is a 18th report, but one report has not been published, so that's why it is a 17th report. So if you talk about the ISFR, then remember that it provides an overall information on basically the forest cover. There is a difference in the forest cover and the tree cover. Forest cover is basically which is recorded by the government, means it is a government authenticated report, and tree cover which is outside the purview of the government report is known as the tree cover. So this is the basic difference in the forest and tree cover. Another difference in the forest and tree cover, basically tree consists which is considered or which is spread in the less than 1 hectare, so that is also known as the tree, and this is the what is the main difference between the forest and tree. Another is the mangrove cover. Remember that mangrove basically on the side of sea, and another is the carbon stock and forest fire. So this is basically in the ISFR. And if you talk about this time what is new thing, then now the new thing which is included this time, if you talk about forest cover in the tiger reserve, basically the corridor areas of the tiger and the lion conservation areas has also been included first time in ISFR 2021. Another, if you talk about above ground biomass has been included, mapping of climate change hotspot has been included in this report. Remember that this is basically is the collaboration with the SAM Institute. If you talk about another is the special information on forest cover, basically the hills areas. If you talk about the tribal district and the northeast region separately in this report. So these points are the included first time in this ISFR report. Earlier this is the all the 16 report, this included all the information, forestry, mangrove, forest fire, or if you talk about another thing. So if you talk about it is a biennial assessment, every alternate year this report is published, as I have told you, and first survey published in 1987. If you talk about three categories of forest are surveyed, remember that. Firstly is the very dense forest, second is the moderately dense forest, and third is the open forest. Now what do you mean by the very dense forest, moderately dense forest and the open forest? If you took, there is a canopy on the forest, so this is a tree. If you talk about this is the canopy, so this canopy which is consist of more than 70%, means if they are the closely spaced, there is a very less gap, that is known as the very dense forest, means the canopy should be more than 70%. After that, if you talk about the medium range, that is the moderately dense forest, canopy range is 40 to 70%. Another is the open forest, means the canopy is less than 40%. If you talk about, there is the another scrub which is not included in the forest, but that is basically less than 10% canopy is known as scrub. If you talk about Indian State of Forest Report 2021, major findings if you talk about and the report finding, then there is an increase in the forest and the tree cover as compared to 2019 assessment. If you talk about in the forest and the tree, if you talk about in 2019, this is how the square kilometer, and which is the 21.67% of the total geographical area in the forest cover. If we talk about the tree, then the 95,027 square kilometer, which is 2.89% in 2019, and if you talk about total, then 24.56% of the geographical area in 2019. If we talk about the 2021, then remember that this has been increased around the 1,540 square kilometer in the forest cover, and if you talk about in the tree cover, 721 square kilometer has been increased, and now the total geographical area, if you talk about 24.6%, and if you talk about around 2.08% has been increased as compared to 2019 statement. So let's understand. So there is an increase in the forest cover and the tree cover as compared to 2019 assessment. If you talk about the further, then remember that as I have told you that there is an increase in 2261 square kilometer, which is 0.28% of the total forest and tree cover as compared to 2019 assessment. If you talk about now, 80.9 million hectares has been the forest and tree cover in India, which is the 24.62% of the geographical area, which is still less than the 33% as per the act. So remember that. If you talk about the top 5 state increase in the forest and the tree cover in ISFR 2021, then the Andhra Pradesh topped the increase in the forest and the tree cover, and there is an increase in around the 647 square kilometer. After that, the Telangana. Remember that this is in the descending order. So sometime question asked on the ascending order and the descending order. So remember that this is basically on descending order, basically a decreasing order. Firstly the Andhra Pradesh, after that the Telangana, and then the Odisha, and then the Karnataka, and then the Jharkhand. So this has been increase in the forest cover and the tree cover in this ISFR 2021. So further, if you talk about the IFSR, then remember that there is a area wise increase, and the largest forest cover is basically in the Madhya Pradesh. Remember that Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover. Remember that. After that, there is a Arunachal Pradesh, which is basically the most eastern state, if you want to remember from this clue. So Arunachal Pradesh is the most eastern state. After that, then remember that there is a Chhattisgarh. After that, the basically the Odisha, and then the Maharashtra. So Maharashtra at 5th, and at top the Madhya Pradesh. Easternmost state is the Arunachal Pradesh at 2nd. If you talk about the Chhattisgarh at the 3rd, which is the coastal state, and Odisha is also basically the coastal state. If you talk about, remember that the forest cover as a percentage, remember that percentage is very important of total geographical area. So remember that. If you talk about the top 5 states, then remember that Mizoram means whatever is the state square kilometer, out of that 84.53 is the forest cover. Remember that. After that the Arunachal Pradesh, and then the Meghalaya, and then the Manipur, and then the Nagaland, basically in the descending order. If you talk about, there is an increase in the mangrove took place in the ISFR 2021. If you talk about increase in this 20 square kilometer this time as compared to 2019 statement. And total mangrove areas in India, if you talk about, around the 5,000 square kilometer, exact is 4,992 square kilometer, which is the 0.15% of the total geographical area. If you talk about in this ISFR, Odisha shown the highest increase in the mangrove area, 85 square kilometer, some 8 square kilometer, and after that the Maharashtra 4 square kilometer, and then the Karnataka. If you talk about the overall mangrove cover in the state, if you talk about, then remember that overall I am talking about, then the highest is in the basically the West Bengal. Overall mangrove highest in the West Bengal. If you talk about the square kilometer, then this is the 2114 square kilometer, which you need not to remember. After that the Gujarat, and then the Andhra Pradesh. Remember that at 3rd the Andhra Pradesh, and then the Maharashtra. So this is the basically overall mangrove areas in the state. Remember that at top West Bengal, after that the Gujarat, and at 4th Maharashtra, and at 3rd is the Andhra Pradesh. Further, if you talk about the ISFR report, then remember that there is an increase in the carbon stock. Now what do you mean by the carbon stock? If you talk about, if you are planting the more and more trees, so they secreted the carbon from the atmosphere. So there is a decrease in the carbon sequestration from the 2019 statement as compared to, if you talk about. So total carbon stock in India, if you talk about, then remember that 7,204 million ton, and there is an increase of around 79.4 million tons since 2019 assessment. So as I have told you. So remember that if you talk about the bamboo forest, obviously there is an increase in the bamboo forest. One of the main important thing you need to remember that bamboo is not a tree. Now bamboo is considered as grass according to an amendment while doing amendment in the Forest Act 1927. So bamboo is not a tree. This is a very important statement if you talk about. So it has been increased from the 13,882 million culls to 53,336 million culls. So this is the increase in the bamboo forest. So these are all the positive things of the ISFR 2021. Now there are some negative aspects of the ISFR which we need to develop. So if you talk about the negatives of the forest report, then remember that there is a forest fire. Forest fire is remain an issue in 2019 assessment. Around, if you talk about the central India, according to the 2019 assessment, around the more than 70 or 80% is highly prone to the forest fire in basically the central India and in the northeast region as well, and especially in the south area. So in this time as well, around the 35.46% of the total forest cover is highly prone to forest fire. Out of that, 2.81 is the extremely prone, means there is a difference in the intensity. So extremely prone is around 2.81%. After that is basically the highly prone. If you talk about very highly prone, then 7.85% forest fire, and if you talk about another is the highly prone. So basically there is a difference in the intensity. Now what is the reason of the forest fire? If you talk about the reason of the forest fire, obviously one of the reason is the climate change. So which is when there is a hot spot, means the more and more hot atmosphere, this will lead to the automatic forest fire. Obviously there are some human caused forest fires. As you know, very important is basically the littering. People went for a picnic and they basically matches and they use that and they throw in the forest. So that leads to the basically the fire. So this is known as the forest fire. If you talk about forest in all states except Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura and Nagaland will be highly vulnerable to the climate hotspot is another negative of ISFR 2021. If we talk about, there is a decline in the moderately dense forest around the 1582 square kilometer. Remember that moderately dense forests consist of highest, if you talk about the open forest, dense forest and the moderately dense forest. So remember that. And obviously the forest cover overall, there is a decline in the northeast region around the 1000 to 1020 square kilometers. So this is the negative aspect of the ISFR report 2021. What is the main summary of a ISFR 2021? Remember that there is an increase in the tree cover as well as the forest cover. Now consists of 24.562 of the geographical area as compared to 2019. So remember that, very important. Remember that every alternate year this assessment came, means it's a biannual report, and this is the 17th report and first report came in 1987. Remember that there is a almost increase in all the areas. Obviously you need to remember basically the negative aspect as well, because basically the forest fire, and obviously there is a almost increase. If you talk about the forest cover and the top, there is a highest increase. If you talk about is the Andhra Pradesh, remember that, and remember that area wide percentage also the Mizoram is the highest. So remember that. So thank you guys, hope you like this video.